that was an excellent question.
Okay, great. So we're going to be looking at motion today, all right? And we're going to be looking at all the laws of motion. Do you know Newton's laws of motion, guys?
I know one of them.
What do you know?
Not even close.
Not even close?
It won't change direction or speed unless acted on by another force.
Okay, so if you were flying out into space, you would be going forever, right?
Yeah.
Unless you
Hit something.
hit something. Okay. If you're on Earth, gravity pulls you down and stops you.
Yeah.
All right. And then, do you know the other ones?
No.
All right. So the other ones are force equals mass times acceleration. All right. And what that means is, imagine you had two things coming at you at the same speed. A little pebble coming at you, or a big giant boulder. If they're coming at you at the same speed, which one's gonna hurt? Which ones would hurt you more, Augie? A little rock or a big giant boulder?
Or a big boulder.
Big boulder.
Because it has more
Strength.
mass, so it would hurt
I
more.
don't know what
If I,
mass means.
it's more size. If I had a bigger something, but if I could hit you with something bigger, wouldn't it hurt?
Yes, and I would
Okay.
not want you to do that ever again.
I won't. Don't worry. And the other part is the acceleration part. Okay, so if I were to just toss a little rock at you, a little tiny pebble, would it hurt?
No.
But if I were to shoot it out of a gun like a bullet, would it hurt then?
Yes.
Yeah. Right? Wouldn't it hurt then?
And like
Okay.
if you dropped it off the Empire State Building.
Right. If I dropped a little rock from here, is it gonna hurt you?
No.
No. But if I dropped it off of a tall building, would it hurt you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So more speed.
All right. So
It's almost like
the other one is for every force, there's an equal and opposite force. Okay. So we're going to take a look at how hard you can throw.
Is that the same as for every action there's a reaction?
Yeah, basically the same
Daddy.
size.
Can we throw
Same thing.
tomatoes?
We're not going to throw tomatoes, but
Daddy.
what we are going to throw is
Eggs.
we're going to
Dun
throw
dun dun. Oh, Daddy.
some eggs,
Daddy,
and we're
Daddy.
going to see who has the hardest throw. Do you think you could break an egg by
Yeah.
throwing
I
it?
bet I could throw an
By
egg.
throwing it,
Right?
yeah.
Have you ever been in an egg toss before?
Yeah. I
What do you have to do in an egg toss?
You make sure it doesn't break.
How do you do that?
Cushion it.
You gotta try and cushion it down, right? But if I don't cushion it, what's gonna happen? Like if I just drop this on here, what's gonna happen?
It's gonna like splatter everywhere.
Not everywhere.
So if I wanted to pick up the speed, do you think you could throw it with more force?
Probably.
Yeah.
Right,
Like
you-
more
would it-
acceleration.
Right? Did that hurt? No, but if I threw this as hard as I could at your head, would it hurt?
Probably. And
Probably.
probably get an eggshell
All right.
in your head.
So we're gonna see how hard, who has the best throw, do you think?
Me.
You can try. Well, you can all have a
I
try.
think I'm the best out of
Who wants to go first?
out of Andrew. Me.
I wanna go
Youngest
first.
oldest.
Youngest oldest.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Youngest
youngest oldest. Augie, go first.
All right, here you go, buddy.
I'm gonna throw
Good
it.
luck.
Wait.
All right, Augie, I need
She's
you to
gonna
come
throw
stand
it.
over here.
Oh,
No, not just throw it anywhere, buddy.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna stand right here.
Kate, move. Kate, move.
Andrew, I need you.
Glasses
Oh,
on. Be protective here. You might get hit with an eggshell.
So I'm gonna get hit with an egg.
August, do not throw that egg until Daddy tells you what to do.
At Dale?
Okay. Now, Andrew, what's gonna happen
I'm so
is
excited.
you gotta back up.
Is that a sheep?
Yeah. Hold it up high. All right. Now, when he throws this, if we just let it drop,
It's gonna splatter.
Oh, we gotta.
it's gonna hit the floor, right? So we're gonna have to try and catch it,
Oh,
and just like you did by pulling it up.
Yeah.
Wait.
All right.
So we're gonna see
Blow
if.
basket.
Wait, what if you're splats? Does that mean you have a hard throw?
Well, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what you've got.
Disclaimer, Mommy did not approve of this experiment.
Daddy, can I
Pull
go?
it a little tighter,
Daddy, can I go?
okay? Throw it as hard as you want, but look it's got to hit right in the middle here. Okay? If you hit me with it,
That was hilarious!
Not hilarious. All right, next. Better aim, please.
Ella. I think I got somebody
That was a good throw, Augie.
How do I get on?
Throw it at the cushion.
Please hit the sheet.
Well, it's my sheet.
This is why I did not approve. No eggs will break, I was
Okay.
told.
All right. So
Isn't that what Daddy told me? Don't worry, no
August,
eggs will break.
August, see this giant purple sheet? All you had to do was hit the sheet.
It got too high. Okay, I'm gonna go.
All right.
So you guys are gonna-
tighter.
So is the goal for you to try and get it
Your job is to hit
Hit the
the
purple sheet.
purple sheet.
as hard as I can?
Yeah, throw it as hard as you
Don't
want.
miss.
Don't miss the purple sheet.
Yes. Now. Did it break?
That's because it hit
It
here.
hit the wall. It hit the table.
So did I lose?
No. I want you to launch it, but hit the purple sheet.
I'm scared.
Augie.
Is it okay if I miss?
No.
No, it's not okay if you miss.
Yeah, we're gonna do some serious cleaning.
All right, good. Did it break, Andrew?
Where's the egg?
Is it magic, Andrew? It's called magic.
It's magic.
Ella, go do
the
the
egg
sheet
didn't break.
so Andrew can throw.
Was that good?
And then you can go again.
Wait, can we go again, Daddy? Do we get to go again? Do we get?
Okay, grab right here.
Yeah,
Up a little
Daddy,
higher.
are you gonna do it?
Okay. No. Just I want you to throw as hard. Pull it tight. Okay. Throw it as hard as you want.
As hard as I can.
Hard as you can. You can't let go of the bottom of the sheet, Ella.
It broke. It definitely broke.
It hit the ground and broke. Oh.
Put it in the sink.
It's in the sink.
I thought there were gonna
Ella,
be no broken
Were
eggs.
you not paying attention?
No.
And we got it. We pulled this up every time except for you.
Okay, my turn again. No.
No.
You don't get retries?
All right.
Can we get retries? That was a very bad Daddy, do we
Watch out. Watch
Daddy,
out.
can we
It's
do-
on the floor.
So what was the point of this?
All right. So the only person that actually hit the sheet and didn't have it roll off was Kate.
She like.
Andrew caught it. Ella's hit the sheet and we caught it. Augie. All right.
So I get a retry, right?
So
No.
where do we get? Where does this affect us in real life? Where do we see this? Where do you want to see
Softball?
something that comes flying really fast and you want to slow it down, but you don't want to slow it down super fast?
Softball?
Hmm?
Softball?
Well, not really. Not really in sports.
Cats. Sledding?
I don't know what.
Surfing!
What?
All right. Well, the one thing that I was thinking of, there's lots of different ways we can use it. We use it in soccer. We use it in sports. But the one way that we use almost every day is when you drive in a car. Right? If you're driving really, really fast,
Oh, you pull the car.
right? If you stop really, really fast, what happens to you?
You're gonna crash.
Well, you'll go flying forward, right?
Yeah, you
So now, what do you have in a car that would kind of slow you down?
Airbags?
Yes, perfect, right? That's what an airbag is for.
Yeah, it's a cushion.
Because like if you were in an accident and you went flying towards the front of your car, front of your steering
It
wheel,
would beep.
steering wheel's kind of hard, right? And that's like the egg hitting the wall really hard.
Fire!
We want to slow it down and cushion it.
What if we make
So it's
fire
that-
out of it?
It's that you have to give it more time. That force equals mass times acceleration. You want to slow down that acceleration or slowing it down, deceleration.
Breaks because the acceleration just stops.
It's not the speed. You can throw your egg as hard as you want at that sheet,
But
but
it's a
it
cushion.
slows down. It cushions it. It slows down.
Okay.
Like
Yeah,
it
yeah, yeah.
takes the force away.
Daddy, can we?
We can have another try, but maybe we'll do it off camera when mommy can help me catch the eggs rather than you guys.
Alright.
All right, what do you say?
Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.
Look at the sheet. Hit the sheet.
Hit the sheet.
Good job, buddy.
I said you're gonna whip it at it.
Go.
I am.
I know.
Good.
Didn't break?
Yay! It didn't break.
All right, Andrew, go.
I can't.
Don't